everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to organize your media files in the media library. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to access our media library, we have to click over here to media. Then, in order to organize our files in media library, we can use folders and subfolders. In order to create a new folder, we have to click over here on folder settings. And then we can click over here at subfolder. And then we can name the subfolder and click over here on add. Then we can click on that particular folder and add the images directly in that folder by clicking over here to drop files. Or from our media, we can choose an image and then we can click over here to move this image to that particular folder and click over here to move file. And now we can see the image over here in this folder. For any particular folder that we are creating, we can click over here to folder settings. We can add a subfolder to that particular folder. We can rename the folder and we can delete the folder. So this way you can organize your media by using folders. You can have them for post categories, for example, news, inspiration, blog, articles, etc. You can have them for brand assets like logos, or you can have them for marketing campaigns. So you have all the images in that particular folder and you know what to use them for. Until next time.